Question number 26. Name two metals which are used to make jewelry. Gold, silver. 27. Where is iron present in our body? Hemoglobin. 28. Name the non-metal which is essential for maintaining life and inhaled during breathing. Oxygen. 29. Name one non-metal used for making fertilizers. Nitrogen. 30. Which non-metal is used in water purification process to make drinking water supply germ-free? Chlorine. 31. Name the non-metal used to make purple colored solution which is applied on cuts and wounds as an antiseptic. Iodine. 32. Name two non-metals which are used in fireworks, crackers, etc. Sulfur and phosphorus. 33. Which non-metal is used as fuel? Carbon. 34. State whether the following statements are true or false. All metals exist in solid form at room temperature. False. Because mercury is a metal which exists in liquid form at room temperature. Coal can be drawn into wires. False. Coal is a non-metal form of carbon which cannot be drawn into wires because coal is brittle substance. Non-metals react with dilute acids to produce hydrogen gas. False. Non-metals doesn't react with dilute acid. Sodium is a very reactive metal. True. Copper displaces zinc from zinc sulfate solution. False, because copper is less reactive than zinc. Cannot displace zinc from zinc sulfate solution. Rust formed on iron objects is basic in nature. True. Non-metals react with water to form a gas which burns with a pop sound. False, because the gas which burns with a pop sound is hydrogen gas, and non-metals do not react with water to form hydrogen gas. Fill in the following blanks with suitable words. Number A. Metals are good conductors of heat and electricity. Most non-metals are poor conductors of heat and electricity. Phosphorus is a very reactive non-metal. Metals react with acids to produce hydrogen gas. Iron is more reactive than copper. Metals form basic oxides, whereas non-metals form acidic oxides. Sulfur forms acidic oxide, whereas magnesium forms basic oxide. A non-metal is used to make an antiseptic solution called tincture iodine. Question number 44. Consider the following materials: copper, sulfur, phosphorus, carbon, such as pencil lead, that means graphite, gold, silver. Which of these materials are malleable and ductile and brittle? Copper, gold and silver, these are metals, so copper, gold and silver are malleable and ductile. Sulfur, phosphorus, carbon, these are non-metals, so sulfur, phosphorus and carbon are brittle. Now come to question number 48. What type of oxides are formed? when metals combine with oxygen. When metals combine with oxygen, basic oxides are formed. Basic oxides. And B, when non-metals combine with oxygen, acid oxides are formed. Question number 50. Consider the following elements: sodium, sulfur, carbon, magnesium. Which of these elements will form acidic oxides and basic oxides? Sodium and magnesium, these two are metals. So sodium and magnesium will form basic oxides. And sulfur and carbon, these two are non-metals. So non-metals will form acidic oxides. So sulfur and carbon will form acidic oxides and sodium and magnesium will form basic oxides. 53. Sodium metal reacts vigorously with water. Name the gas evolved when sodium reacts with water. Hydrogen gas. State whether the solution formed by the reaction of sodium with water is acidic or basic. The solution will be basic due to the formation of sodium hydroxide. Question number 57. Name one metal which can displace iron from iron sulfate solution. The metals which are more reactive than iron can displace iron from iron sulfate solution. It can be potassium, magnesium, calcium, aluminium, zinc, anyone which are more reactive than iron. Name one metal which cannot displace iron from iron sulfate solution. Less reactive metals than iron cannot displace iron from iron sulfate solution. This can be carbon, gold, silver, anything. Lead, anyone. Then question number 62. Which of the following can be beaten into thin sheets? Why? Zinc, phosphorus, sulfur, oxygen. Say zinc is a metal. So zinc can be beaten into thin sheet. Phosphorus, sulfur, oxygen, these three are non-metals and these are brittle. Cannot be beaten into thin sheets. 63. Match the substances given in column A with their uses given in column B. Gold, iron, aluminium, then carbon, copper, mercury. And in column B, these are given: thermometers, electric wires, wrapping food, jewelry, machinery and fuel. So see, gold is used as jewelry, iron, machinery, then aluminium, wrapping food, carbon, fuel, and mercury, thermometers.